Massive announcement. The wholesaling real estate game has completely changed. Today is the day I'm announcing it right here on this video on this channel. At dmzach.com now, there is free unlimited skip tracing, not just regular skip tracing, you know, from True People Search or cyber background checks, but the high quality skip tracing you usually have to pay 12, 14, 15, 17 cents for. The really high quality stuff is now completely free, unlimited for everybody that is on dmzach.com. That is right. This is the announcement. This is the official, the first to know, the first YouTube channel to talk about this. This has been in the works with me and dmzach.com for a little bit now, but it is here. This is National Make a Guru Cry Day, and every single guru that owns these software companies that keep bragging about how much money they're taking from you guys from charging for skip tracing. I know a couple that make tens of thousands of dollars every single month saying that I make money only off skip tracing because they're charging you 15 cents a record and they only cost them like a cent to produce and you have no other option. These people are going out of business now, and this is gonna make them all cry, but it's true. This is gonna have a huge impact in the wholesaling real estate game. Think about this. You can go pull a list of all the probates, code violations, water shutoffs, fire damage properties, all these government lists. You can now go to dmzach.com, import tens of thousands of these type of lists, and get free skip tracing, high quality on each single one. Also in the skip tracing, it's gonna tell you, hey, is this person a likely landlord, the likely tenant, a likely person that actually owns the property? And you can get this information. This is a huge change. And so high quality skip tracing that you're used to paying tens of thousands of dollars for or thousands of dollars for, you can get basically absolutely for free right now. And the reason why this is so cool is because you can use all that money you were spending on skip tracing, the most expensive part, cold calling, SMS text blasting, and actually use that to produce more volume in your business. So maybe if you're into really high quality texting and your biggest expense is always going to be the skip tracing, maybe all the money you're saving on skip tracing, you can use that to do more texts, and more texts, more volume actually end up making you more money. Heck, dmzach.com used to charge 17 cents per record for this type of information, but now they're giving it all for free. They're reinvesting pretty much all those profits and all the money they made into just giving skip tracing for free. This is gonna have a huge impact on how other software companies are doing this, and we're gonna see some huge changes coming in 2024 for wholesaling real estate. This is why I'm so pumped up and excited to announce this right now. I mean, dmzach.com already has the best drawing for dollars out there. They've did a huge upgrade in their data quality. So one really cool example that they have now are what we call repair cost estimates, where dmzach.com is now gonna give you a repair cost estimate when you pull up the property information. You're gonna get the skip tracing for free. So you can literally go in your app, pop the property up, and boom, the skip tracing is right there for free. Come on, it's a no-brainer. They got zombie properties and pre-probates now. These gurus that keep trying to push these huge paid skip tracing down on your throat now are gonna be crying like crazy now. There's not much need for TruePeopleSearch.com or CyberBackgroundChecks.com because a lot of wholesalers, they'll spend hundreds and hours just getting skip tracing and they only get like 100 in a night. And you can get 10, 20, 40, 50,000 free skip traces in a night, super high quality data. The property data has been updated on dmzach.com, so much has changed. And so this has really brought dmzach.com to the conversation of one of the top softwares out here you need for wholesaling real estate. So you have a very important decision to make right now. Either you take advantage of all this free, super high quality skip tracing when you sign up for dmzach.com, or somebody in your market's gonna do that, start pulling a list, getting 10,000 skip traces at their fingertips tonight, right now, skip traced, and they're gonna increase their marketing. The money that they're used to spending on skip tracing, they're gonna pour that into more calling and more texting. They're gonna get more volume. They're gonna get more motivated sellers in their inbox. And so either you decide you're gonna do this or you're gonna let your competition do this. I got no dog in the fight right now. I'm just the messenger. I'm just telling you what's going on because either you do it or your competition does it. I know what I'm doing. So guys, if you're excited about this announcement, let me know in the comments. I know I've been hyping this up forever. Let me know, did I overhype this? Free skip tracing, unlimited, super high quality that people in the wholesaling industry are paying tens of millions of dollars for, which is basically free for everyone now? Let me know. I think this is a huge game changer, and this is going to change the way we look at wholesaling real estate, the way we spend our money, and at the end of the day, it's going to help most wholesalers when they're starting out who don't have much money to get the power of somebody who's spending 10K a month in skip tracing absolutely for free. Guys, if this is really something that's a game changer for you, make sure you go to dmzach.com, go check it out, and I hope to see you soon at freewholesaling.com. Guys, if you got any value from this video, do me a favor, make sure you smash the like button, subscribe, and I'll see you soon. This is Zach Ginn signing out. Have a blessed one.